Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. This video is in link to the video which I uploaded earlier on 48th National Convention of Company Secretaries. If you have not seen that video yet, I'll put the link in the description box below. First go and watch that video, then you'll know better about it. This is some important information about the convention which you need to know if you want to go, and the best part in this information is that now you can attend the convention in virtual mode as well by giving your virtual attendance, and by doing that the students will get the 24 PTP hours by just attending the convention through virtual mode only. To know what all things and what all important information is there, watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel. So, with the important information, first is in-person attendance. In-person participation open only to members of ICSI. Yes, only members of ICSI can go in person, can only participate there personally, physically, that is called in person. The members of ICSI are only allowed. Second, initially only 200 seats are being opened for registration in compliance with the guidelines issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Due to COVID, we know about social distancing and we cannot, overcrowd any place. So due to that, initially only 200 seats are being opened. Third, outstation delegates may avail discounted rates from Sayaji Hotel Indore as per the institute's arrangement. Details about the same will be shared with the registered delegates over email. Once you are registered, the details will be shared with you, but you can get discounted rates from Sayaji Hotel Indore because it's a non-residential program. So you can stay here, the outstation delegates, you can stay here and go to that Amber Convention Center Indore for attending the convention, but you can stay here at good discounted rates which will be provided by the institute. It's their responsibility. They'll make the arrangements for that, and once you're registered, you'll get the details over your mails. Fourth, more number of delegate registrations may be accepted by the institute subject to subsequent relaxation as may be provided by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Now, because the convention is going to happen in December, just in case there will be some subsequent relaxation, so more number of delegate registrations may be accepted, but for now 200 seats have been opened. Now comes the best part of this convention, the important information according to me. Virtual attendance says you can actually virtually attend this convention. How? First, members, students and others may also attend the convention in the virtual mode. Registrations thereof shall be opened on 7th November 2020. The in-person registrations have been opened from today only, from 6th November 2020 from 2 p.m. If you want to go and register yourself, as it is first come first paid basis for selective number of people. But if you want to attend but you cannot go, or due to COVID or some other reason, you can attend it by virtual mode also, and the registration will be opened from 7th November 2020. Second, delegates attending in virtual mode and desirous of obtaining the delegate kit need to pay rupees 500 plus 18% GST extra for the same, and rupees 150 towards postage for Indian addressees only. Now, you want to attend the convention through virtual mode, you can attend it, and if you desire of getting the delegate kit as well, you need to pay rupees 500 plus GST and rupees 500 towards postage. This is a very good thing. If you really want to attend it and you can't go, for members and students you can attend it, but for students it is with another surprise for virtual attendance. I'll tell you in the next slide. Keep watching. There is a note under this important information which says delegate registration available in the online mode, only in the online mode on first come first serve basis. If you want to go and register yourself. This is what I'm saying again and again. Through online mode you can register yourself. Second, registrations through cash, check, bank draft, electronic transfer shall not be accepted. The video I've made on this convention, if you've not seen it, the link is in the description box below. It says you can make payment by credit card, debit card or net banking register now. You cannot make any registrations through cash, check, bank draft, electronic transfers. These are not allowed. You can do it through credit card, debit card, and through net banking. It has been clearly specified when you will see that video in the slide which says how to register yourself, the delegate registration procedure that says it. The third is members attending the national convention either in person at Indore or through virtual mode shall be eligible for grant of 10 CPE credits under structured category in terms of the ICSI Continuous Professional Education Guidelines 2019. Wow. So either you're attending it in person at Indore or you're attending through virtual mode, you will be getting your 10 CPE hours. That's a very good thing. So if you can't go, you can attend it virtually as well. So by virtually, you can get registered yourself by tomorrow. From tomorrow, the registrations will open. Fourth is students attending the national convention. This is the best part of this convention, that students attending the national convention through virtual mode shall be deemed to have complied with the requirement of attending 24 hours of PDP. So if your PDP hours are not completed, you can complete it through virtual mode only. So you can attend the national convention through virtual mode and complete the requirement of attending 24 hours of PDP. Fifth, precautionary measures such as social distancing, availability of face masks and sanitizers for each delegate shall be ensured at the venue of the national convention. So don't worry about that. The institute will take care of all the precautionary measures about social distancing, about face masks, about sanitizers. You will get all of these at the venue of the national convention only. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you found the video informative. Please like the video if you found it informative and you want me to make more such videos. And before leaving, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, again, I would request you to please subscribe it. It's totally free of cost, and hit the like button and hit the bell icon for all the updates.